Hey guys, OnePlus 8 series is only a few months away. This time the OnePlus 8 series will introduce 3 new smartphones, the OnePlus 8, OnePlus 8 Lite and OnePlus 8 Pro. OnePlus 8 Pro will be a flagship smartphone while OnePlus 8 Lite is going to be a mid-range smartphone. In this video, we are going to talk about the top 5 features of OnePlus 8 Pro. But before that, if you are watching the video on this channel for the first time, then subscribe to the channel and also press that bell icon so that I can give you all the future updates related to OnePlus 8 series. So with that, I am Raj and now let's get in. Display. According to recent reports, OnePlus 8 Pro is going to have the smoothest display so far in a OnePlus smartphone. OnePlus CEO Pete Love has been teasing for a long time that OnePlus will soon bring a smartphone in which we will get to see a fluid and smooth display. This smartphone will be OnePlus 8 Pro. OnePlus 8 Pro will have 120Hz refresh rate display. It could be a QHD plus display panel. Along with this, we will also get to see a special MEMC chip due to which users will be able to enjoy normal content at 120Hz refresh rate. Some additional frames will be added here so that you can enjoy a normal video at 120 frames per second. We also get this feature in many top-end TVs which we are now going to see in OnePlus 8 Pro. So the display of OnePlus 8 Pro is going to be quite fluid. Design. If we talk about the design, in OnePlus 8 Pro we will not get any kind of pop-up mechanism like the OnePlus 7T Pro. Also, there will be no notch here. This time in OnePlus 8 Pro, we will get to see a punch hole display panel. That means this display will have a hole or cutout which will house the front camera. This cutout will be in the top left corner of the display. Here we will get an AMOLED display panel. If we talk about rest of the design, we will get a glass back panel here. The camera placements will be very similar to the OnePlus 7T Pro. Camera. Camera department is going to be a major factor of OnePlus 8 Pro. This smartphone will have a quad rear camera setup. Here the primary sensor will be a 64 megapixel Sony IMX686 sensor with f/1.4 aperture. The second sensor will be a 20 megapixel ultra wide angle sensor with f/2.2 aperture. The third sensor will be a 12 megapixel 10x hybrid zoom telephoto lens with f/2.4 aperture. And the fourth sensor will be a 3D TOF, that is time of flight sensor, which will be used for depth sensing. Talking about the selfie shooter, the front camera will be inside the cutout. It will be a 32 megapixel Sony IMX616 sensor. Some rumors also suggest that a second sensor could also be present here. It will be used for depth sensing. It could be a 3D TOF sensor. If it happens, then we will get a pill-shaped cutout instead of a single cutout. Processor. Now it is quite obvious that OnePlus 8 Pro will have a flagship processor because OnePlus 8 Pro is going to be a flagship device. So it will be powered by the latest Snapdragon 865 processor, which is a very capable and powerful processor. In addition, we will also get to see 5G support here. Here we will get up to 12 GB of RAM and up to 256 GB of internal storage. Fast charging. So the OnePlus smartphones are quite popular for their fast charging. OnePlus's warp charging technology is quite fast, but it is being told that in OnePlus 8 Pro we will get an even faster charging speed, which is a great news for all the users. At the same time, it is being told that the OnePlus 8 Pro may be the first OnePlus smartphone to support wireless charging. OnePlus 8 series is expected to get launched around April 2020. So these are the top 5 features of OnePlus 8 Pro. Which of these features you found the most interesting? Tell me in the comment section. Share this video with all the OnePlus users. With that, we're at the end of this video. So guys, if you found this video helpful, then like the video. If you didn't like it, you know what to do. If you have any questions regarding this topic, then feel free to ask them in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel as you leave and also press that bell icon so that you will be the first one to watch my videos. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I am Raj, and I will see you guys in my next video.